Welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common problem that developers might face when working with C++ memory sequences. We'll dive into a code snippet found in Unreal Engine 5 and answer the question, why is the code load code function called before code_compare_exchange_strong code? It's an interesting problem that requires a deeper understanding of memory operations in C++. Now, let's explore the solution that was proposed for the problem it had. By calling code load code first with codist memory_order_relax code, we ensure a fast read operation. This initial step sets the stage for the subsequent code compare_exchange_strong code, which involves a read, modify, write process. The key insight here is that the read operation is relatively fast, while the read, modify, write operation can be slower. This approach optimizes the performance of the code, making it efficient for most cases. Building on the previous point, let's consider the implications of directly calling code compare_exchange_strong code without the preceding code load code operation. In this scenario, every access to the code usage code variable would involve a read, modify, write operation, which is inherently slower than a simple read operation. By utilizing code load code first and then proceeding to code compare_exchange_strong code only when necessary, we strike a balance between speed and efficiency in the code. In summary, the decision to call code load code before code compare_exchange_strong code in the provided code snippet is driven by performance considerations. The initial read operation is fast and sets the stage for subsequent read, modify, write operations to be optimized. By understanding the intricacies of memory operations in C++, developers can craft more efficient and effective code. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.